Another question that arises, Anusha, often I have seen a kind of a speculation that electronics and telecommunication is a little more mathematical in nature. So, can people? It's not only. In fact, I don't believe that because I think maths is a foundation. But what are your, what are your viewpoint on that when people say that we have to do so much of mathematics, and you have up to 4 semesters maths and overall subjects. So, are they correlated somewhere? I mean, what's your opinion?
So like in the few streams that we have, like there are very countable few that would have max for that longer duration, like 4 semesters. I totally get it. For few it comes up like a monster, and few it comes up like a blessing. But you wish or not, there is few good things that math does to you, and that is building up your logical and reasoning abilities. And there are a lot of speculations or complaints that who is going to use these equations anywhere. I agree, not in real life directly, but those skills that you have built using them, it stays with you, it takes you a long road. So it really does help, and I can strongly say that after 4 years of my IT industry, for sure.
So, as you've been a very brilliant student of engineering, what is your comments on the subjects that we have, designed for electronics and telecommunication? Exactly now, there's a great change. You were, I think, the 2016 pass out, but there's quite a lot of changes right now. We have introduced DBMS, data structures. We have also put in a lot of open source tools for our students, and we're trying to train them according to the demands of the industry. But what do you think about the subjects that the branch of EXTC offers?
All these subjects that we have in our curriculum, or what we have in all these 4 years, like say analog electronics or digital electronics, or even our microwave related things, everything has a equation based study. It doesn't end up in a mugging up system, which is really important. I would say you just mug up something for a textual definition, it doesn't work. You have an equation which you need to apply and come up with a solution. That's how your real life problems work. So that is a perspective that is very well built at a very early stage in EXTC, I would say. And coming to the major things like analog and digital electronics, it's a very important aspect. Basically, analog and digital is nothing but data. And being a data analytics professional, I can tell you, data is at the heart of IT industry. I mean, you do coding, you be at any different level of the IT industry, you cannot do it without the data. A data is something that people are kind of playing with, and that's what gives life to the artificial intelligence, which is like kind of considered the future of IT industry. So even though we try to see it all as a separate branches in the academic course, like IT, computers, electronics are all different to us as a student. Even I would have felt the same, that okay, this is all different. But being in the real world, I can clearly tell you that all these are very tightly coupled, so tightly coupled. You give an example of simple thing like Alexa. It has a coding involved in it. It needs communication for sure, else the wireless thing doesn't work. And you need to know the basics of analog and digital communication to it. So just as simple as that, the world doesn't work with only one aspect. So all the aspects are equally required.